In today's video, I'm going to teach you QuickBooks Desktop, how to show markups on customer client estimates. If you create estimates in QuickBooks Desktop and want the markup column to appear clearly when you're working on the estimate, and also when you print it for a customer, this is a very quick setting to adjust. The good news is that you do not need to change the estimate itself line by line. Instead, you can update the layout so the markup field becomes visible where you need it. To get started, open QuickBooks Desktop and go to the Customers menu at the top of the screen. From there, click Create Estimates. This will open the Estimate window, which is where you can control how estimate forms are displayed and printed. Once you're inside the Estimate window, look near the top for the Formatting tab and click on it. This section gives you access to the appearance and structure of the form, so if a field is missing from the screen or not showing up on printed copies, this is usually the right place to check. Next, select Customize Data Layout. This opens the settings that let you choose which columns and fields are available on the estimate form. You'll see different tabs here, and the one you need is the Columns tab. Go ahead and click that. Inside the Columns tab, scroll through the list until you find the Markup option. This controls whether the markup column is available on your estimate. To make sure it shows up both while you're entering information and when the estimate is printed, check the box under Screen and also check the box under Print. After both boxes are checked, click OK to save your changes. That's it. The markup column should now be visible on your customer estimates in QuickBooks Desktop, both on screen and on printed forms. If you don't immediately see the change, it can help to review the estimate layout again and confirm the boxes stayed selected. Also, keep in mind that display options can depend on the form you're editing, so make sure you're applying this from within the Create Estimates window. This is a simple but useful customization, especially if you want more transparency in your pricing or need markup details included in your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.